The Hanapepe Homeowners Association oversees the neighborhoods of Hanapepe Heights and Cliffside. Its mission is to maintain a harmonious multicultural community by educating and upholding neighborhood covenants. A covenant is an agreement with rules that govern properties in a community. By respecting and agreeing to follow these covenants, property owners aim to protect property values, ensure peaceful coexistence, enhance the beauty of our diverse neighborhood, and foster a sense of ohana among homeowners. Hanapepe Heights and Cliffside covenants are as follows. Keep your home's landscaping so that your property does not seem abandoned. Hanapepe Homeowners Association is empathetic of economic circumstances. However, does your property look like a home or a used car lot? Your neighbors may not enjoy hearing karaoke, profane rap music, domestic battles, or chickens crowing at 3 a.m. Hanapepe Heights and Cliffside are residential neighborhoods, not agricultural land. Raising livestock is prohibited due to sanitary waste, noise, and disturbance of the peace. Fighting chickens are considered livestock, not pets, and are prohibited under the Hanapepe Heights and Cliffside Covenant. Covenants protect property values, ensure a standard of living, and sustain community harmony by defining agreed upon standards. Upon purchasing your property, as a homeowner in Hanapepe Heights and Cliffside, you agree to follow these covenants. A list of covenant violators will be published online after a grace period allowing homeowners time to make appropriate corrections. Arigato, mahalo, salamat, obrigado, and thank you for your cooperation and consideration of your neighbors and neighborhood.